everybody, welcome to my very first video. So I found these beautiful nails on Instagram and I've decided to copy this set. Okay, let's get started. First, I'm gonna prepare the false nail by file the tip. Make sure that it's flat and even. Then I buff it. So this is the products that I'm gonna use today. I'm gonna apply a thin layer of gel polish over the false nail. Make sure that you apply a very thin layer and cover the tip as well. Then bake it. It's time for the second layer. Same with the first one. Apply your thin layers on false nail, but you don't need to cover the tip anymore. Then bake it again. Next, I'm gonna use the matte top coat on all of them. Then you will have this beautiful matte finish. For the front tips, I'm gonna use this brush. I'm gonna use black gel on the jelly nail. Using the same technique, I will apply non-wipe glossy top coat on the map like one. Then you have this beautiful V French tip. Last thing, then you apply glossy layer all over the jelly pink nail, then bake it. What do you think about this video? Thanks for watching my video. Leave the comment down below and you can email me any design you want me to do. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Give me some motivation. Thank you.